Hello, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Women Winning Wednesdays. I am Elsa W. Smith, your Maryland estate planning attorney and the owner of the law offices of Elsa W. Smith, where our mission is to empower women through estate planning. Through our guest and educational content, my hope is to provide you with glimpses of what an empowered woman is and the tools that she needs to win. This week, we are talking about the topic of how you decide who gets your stuff when you die. Now, you've heard me say on more than one occasion that when you don't have a will, that's dying intestate, and your state's laws are going to dictate how your estate is distributed. Now, followers of this show are savvy enough to know that that is not where you want to be. That is having the state dictate what happens to your stuff. Now, before I get messages telling me that I should always refer to it as tangible personal property, let me respond by saying that that's not how you talk if you were having coffee with a friend. And I view this audience as friends. So for today's episode, we're going to go with stuff. Of course, I'll use that during the episode, but for the most part, we're going to go with stuff. Now, here's the topic of today for those of you taking notes. And what I want to focus on today is how you make those decisions while you're alive. How to be intentional about making sure your personal items find a new home, if that's your desire. You have an opportunity to leave a legacy if you put some thought into this process. The biggest source of stress for my clients who need this kind of help is that they have so much stuff and they are overwhelmed and don't know where to begin. So today I want to share some tips and some insight to help you decide who gets your stuff when you pass away, if not sooner. While there's no perfect way to distribute these items in your, as part of your estate plan, your primary goal should be to, maintain harmony among your loved ones during what's going to be an already emotional time. So let's get started. The first